How do you simplify CIDR notation for IP address subnetting? Imagine trying to understand a complex map with many roads and routes. Now, picture a simple label that tells you exactly where to go. That's what CIDR notation does for IP addresses. It makes working with networks much easier. Instead of writing out a long subnet mask like 255.255.255.0, CIDR uses a slash followed by a number, like 24. This number shows how many bits in the IP address are used for the network part. To understand this better, think of an IP address as a 32-bit number divided into four groups of 8 bits. The subnet mask tells you which bits are for the network and which are for devices. When you convert the subnet mask to CIDR, you count how many ones are in its binary form. For example, 255.255.255.0 in binary is 11,111,111.11,111,111.1111111.0. Counting the ones gives you 24. So, the CIDR notation is. This makes it simple to see how big or small a network is. If you see 26, it means 26 bits are for the network, leaving 6 bits for host devices. That gives you 60 for total IP addresses, but only 62 can be assigned to devices. CIDR helps you create networks of different sizes easily. It also allows for flexible subnetting, so you're not stuck with old class-based ranges. When you see an IP like 190.168.1.024, it means the first 24 bits are for the network, and the last 8 bits are for devices. This helps routers and computers know which part of the address to use for routing and which part to identify individual devices. CIDR also makes managing IP addresses more efficient. It reduces the size of routing tables and helps organize networks better. It supports supernetting, which is combining multiple smaller networks into one larger network. This reduces the number of routes that routers need to handle. So, simplifying CIDR notation is really about understanding that the number after the slash shows how many bits are used for the network. It replaces the need to write out the full subnet mask. This way, network configuration becomes quicker and clearer. CIDR is a key part of modern IP addressing, making subnetting and routing more straightforward. It helps network administrators allocate IP addresses precisely and efficiently, whether they are working in a data center or setting up a new internet connection.